3 ways to make money with AI in 2025. Zero startup cost. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic. 3 incredible ways you can make money with AI in 2025 without any startup cost. That's right, $0 to start. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for practical side hustles, this video is for you. AI is changing the world faster than we ever imagined. It's no longer just for tech giants or coders. Today, anyone can leverage AI tools to create, innovate, and yes, make money. So let's explore how you can tap into this booming industry with nothing but your time, creativity, and determination. Make sure to stick around until the end because I'm going to share a bonus tip that could skyrocket your earning potential. Okay, let's jump right into the first way to make money with AI content creation. You've probably noticed that AI tools like ChatStat and image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E are everywhere now. These tools have become so advanced that they can help you produce high-quality content in minutes. If you're into blogging, writing ebooks, or creating social media posts, you can use AI to brainstorm ideas, write articles, or even generate stunning visuals for free or very low cost. For example, let's say you want to start a blog about travel. You can use AI to write engaging posts about destinations, travel tips, or personal experiences, all in a fraction of the time it would take to write manually. Then, you monetize your blog with affiliate links, sponsored posts, or ads. Or, if you're a creative type, use AI art generators to make unique designs for merchandise, like t-shirts or posters, and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. The best part? You don't need any upfront investment. These tools are often free to use or offer basic features at no cost. But here's the key. Don't just rely on AI to churn out content and hope for the best. Take the time to tweak and refine what AI creates to add your personal touch. Think of it as a collaboration between you and the AI. The more effort you put into making your content unique and valuable, the more likely you are to succeed. Now, let's talk about another game-changing way to earn with AI freelancing. If you've ever thought about offering your services online but didn't know where to start, AI can be your secret weapon. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are filled with opportunities for people who can deliver quality work. And with AI, you don't need to be an expert to get started. Take graphic design, for example. In the past, creating a logo or a flyer would require advanced skills and expensive software. But now, AI tools like Canva or Looker can generate professional designs in minutes. You can offer these designs as services on freelancing platforms and get paid for each project. Similarly, AI can help you with tasks like video editing, podcast transcription, or even voiceovers. Tools like Descript make editing audio and video as simple as dragging and dropping, which means you can focus more on creativity than technical know-how. And let's not forget about writing services. With AI-powered writing assistants, you can help businesses create social media posts, write product descriptions, or even manage email campaigns. Clients are willing to pay good money for high-quality, timely content, and with AI, you can deliver exactly that without spending hours on the task. Here's a pro tip: specialize in a niche. Whether it's health, tech, or beauty, focusing on one area makes it easier to market yourself as an expert. Plus, niche markets often have less competition, giving you a better chance to stand out. Now, the third way to make money with AI in 2025 is by creating and selling online courses or digital products. And no, you don't need to be a subject matter expert to do this. AI tools can help you research, structure, and even create the content for your courses. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad make it super easy to sell your courses online. For instance, imagine you're interested in fitness, but don't feel qualified to teach. You can use AI to research workout routines, meal plans, and fitness tips. Then package that information into a well-organized course. Use AI tools to design your course slides, write scripts, and even generate promotional materials. Once your course is ready, upload it to a platform and start earning passive income every time someone enrolls. Digital products are another fantastic option. These can include templates, planners, or even AI-generated art packs. The demand for unique, customizable digital assets is huge right now, and you can easily create them using free AI tools. Once you upload your products to platforms like Etsy, you can earn money every time someone makes a purchase. Let's say you're promoting tech gadgets. You can use AI to write detailed product reviews, create comparison charts, or even generate videos showcasing the products. Then, share that content on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Every time someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a simple yet effective way to make money, and the potential earnings are virtually unlimited. So, there you have it, 3 proven ways to make money with AI in 2025, plus a bonus tip to boost your income. Whether you choose content creation, freelancing, digital products, or affiliate marketing, the key is to start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or worry about having all the skills. AI is here to help you get started with zero upfront cost. All you need is a willingness to learn and take action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And don't forget to comment below and let me know which method you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you succeed on your journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep hustling.